Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're unboxing another special edition from INNO64. But before we jump in, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new, as we are doing daily videos all of this week. So make sure to turn on those notifications and subscribe if you are new. But without further ado, let's jump straight in. So the special edition that we are checking out today is the Liberty Walk F40 in matte black, which, as you can see, it comes in the same standard packaging as the other special editions that I have unboxed on the channel as well, previously being the Resin Special Edition Escort Mark II Pandem and also the One Night in Malaysia Trackers A86 Torino as well, which were both fantastic models, so do definitely make sure to check them out as well. But back to the Ferrari F40, you can see it comes in this nice standard black packaging and it's got a really nice holographic logo for the Liberty Walk, the F40 and the INNO64 as well. Obviously you can see it there reflecting in the light, which looks very cool. But you can see the car itself as well, also coming in the matte black packaging, as well with the Hong Kong toy car salon with the special edition 2023 also in the holographic on the front of the car as well, with the INNO64, the Liberty Walk and the Liberty Walk logo also in that chrome on the back of the car as well, or on the back of the sleeve as well, should I say. But you can see, again, just like any other standard INNO64 model, it's got all the warnings on the bottom, more information that you would need, all the contact information and the outline of the car on the back, again also in that really cool chrome design. You've also got this really cool graffiti style base, which again looks really cool in contrast to the car with the black and the white. But surprisingly, there isn't any decal or any lettering to say that it is the Ferrari F40, which is a little bit unusual, as obviously as all the other models that I have unboxed have either got a plaque or it just says on the lettering somewhere on the base what car it is. So this is quite weird, or quite cool and unique to see that it's got no lettering on, it's just the graffiti style base, which does look very cool for displaying. Obviously you know exactly what car it is, it's very clearly the Ferrari F40. Now INNO64 have already done a load of variants of this Ferrari F40, the Liberty Walk version. They have got a couple variants in white, a couple variants in red, they've got this matte black variant, and they've also got a Christmas and a Christmas chase, and also a chase model to this as well, which I will be trying to get my hands on, so definitely stay tuned to that, as I will be showcasing that as soon as I do get my hands on it. But as you can see with this model up close, they've really got the attention to detail, the proportions, everything absolutely spot on, and in my opinion it's probably one of the most detailed Ferraris on the market for the price, which is around £35 to £40. Obviously they could be going up in price with the more rare they are, obviously being a special edition, but the price that they are is £35 to £40 at the moment. So if you can get them, I would highly recommend it, as these models are very good. As you can see, the matte black paintwork is phenomenally applied. You can see no marks in it at all, which I was actually quite concerned about myself, as obviously matte black paint is quite hard to do. It can take the slightest little nick and it will show up so bright and so clear, which again is quite unfortunate, but it is just the risk of that style paint. But you can see again, application wise it's absolutely perfect. The body lines and the fitment for the wheels is really good. You can see the badge is super clear on the front, and the carbon fibre, the effect is absolutely perfect. It's a lot better than the other carbon effects that they've got on previous models, so again they are really stepping it up. You can see on the rear of the model as well the Ferrari badge and the Liberty Walk, the carbon fibre and the exhausts, and you can also see the engine in the rear again, which again very nicely detailed. You can also see the bright red bucket seats and the harnesses on them as well. So again, just the detail and the contrast between the matte black and the red really shows, and like I say, the build quality of this model is absolutely fantastic. As you saw, unfortunately the wheels do not roll, they are stuck in place. Now it's not too big of a deal, obviously it's just a display model, so it's quite cool, and I don't think too many people are going to open it, but I would actually highly recommend it, as you can see it looks absolutely phenomenal. Obviously the big standout is the fact that it is a Liberty Walk F40 and it is the first of its kind, and again they've got the kit absolutely spot on. Comparing it to the real life model, or well, the real life car should I say, it's very close, and in fact I would say they've probably got it the closest that you probably could get a 164 car to the real version. But let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this model? Do you think they could have improved with it, and where do you think they could have improved if so? Please do let me know in the comments down below. But I am going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new. Like I say, I am trying to do daily videos all of this week, and if you guys like it, I will continue it indefinitely. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.